Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel YashEduAcademy. After so many days, I am back with the new concept, that is Biostatistics and Research Methodology. It is the subject of 8th semester in bpharmacy based on the JNTUH curriculum. So before getting into the video, let's roll the intro. Coming to the class. So before understanding the biostatistics, let us know the actual meaning of statistics. So statistics is nothing but it is the branch of applied mathematics. When it comes to the science, it is concerned with the developing and studying the methods of analyzing the raw data. So in this statistics, it can be simply defined as the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of raw data. When we are collecting any raw data related to the health statistics, the first process is the collection of raw data. Second is the presentation. We'll present the documents in various ways in the chart format or any percentage format, and we'll analyze the variation of before and after the vaccination details. And interpretation means the way of explanation of the drug or any pharmacological action of the drug. So when we are working with the statistics in science field, it comes under the health statistics. So statistics is used in different fields. One of it is health statistics. So health statistics. In this health statistics, one of it is statistics can be used in different fields. One of it is health statistics when it comes to the science. So in health statistics, it is classified into three types. Okay, it is classified into three types. One is medical, the second one is vital, and the third is mathematical. Okay, the health statistics is classified into three types. In this, first one is medical, second one is vital, and third one is mathematical. Now in this medical, it is again subdivided into five types. It is research, medical pharmaceutics, and the third is genetics, pharmacology and medicines. Medicines is nothing but drug action, analyzing the drug action after intake on human being or animals. Okay, now in this health statistics, it is classified into three types: medical, vital and mathematical. So in this division, in this classification, medical is again subdivided into five parts. It is research, medical pharmaceutics, genetics, pharmacology, medicine and drug action. So mathematical means it is the count means, see here in this raw data, mathematical means in raw data can be available in different ways. One in percentage, one in charts, and one in number of count. Raw data is, for example, I am telling it for example. Okay, either raw data may be available in the percentage, chart or in the number of count. So it is the best example for this statistical analysis and the count is YashEduAcademy app, which we have used in the COVID era. So the tab shows the number of affected people around us and the number of people who have died, and the vaccination analysis of statistics all over the India. So the number of people who have vaccinated, who have not vaccinated, the total data, the total raw data is available in the YashEduAcademy app. So in the newspaper also, newspaper is also the one of the source of the statistical information of health statistics. So in this statistics, it is statistics. It has two types. In this statistical analysis or in this health statistics, it is divided into two types. One is descriptive. One is descriptive and the other is interferential. So let me come again. Statistics is a branch of applied mathematics when it comes to the science concerned with the developing and the study of methods. So it can be simply defined as the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of raw data, collecting the information first and the presentation and the analysis, and then interpretation means the way of explanation in different way based on the raw data analysis. So in this statistics, statistics can be used in different fields. When it is used in the science field, that is called as health statistics. When the health statistics is used, it is classified into three types. Health statistics is classified into three types. First one, medical, vital and mathematical. Medical is divided into medical is again subdivided into 5 variations: research, pharmaceutical, medical pharmaceutics, genetics, pharmacology and medicines. Medicines are nothing but the drug action or pharmacological action of any drug on the human being or rat. And again here the raw data. When the raw data is collected, it may be available in various ways. So for example, the raw data we have collected is percentage, charts or number of count. It may be it is depend on the source of information collected. It is available in various ways like percentage, chart and number of count of any health statistics. Okay, so here the statistics has two types. One is descriptive and the other is interferential. Statistics has two types, descriptive and interferential. In descriptive, it is again divided into 4 types. First one is collecting data. Second one, organizing the data. Third one, summarizing the data. And fourth one is presenting the data. It involves the arithmetic mean. Etc. calculations. Okay. When it is the statistics has two types. From that, first one is descriptive. And the descriptive is divided into descriptive works as a collecting data, organizing, summarizing data and presenting the data by using the arithmetic mean or etc. formulas. It means it is a calculation part of the statistics. Now in interferential it is also divided into 4 types. Hypothesis testing, making prediction, relationship, and estimation. So in this statistics, it has two types. It is divided into descriptive and interferential. In this descriptive, the process of analyzing the data is collecting data, organizing data, summarizing and presenting the data. With the presenting the data, until here it is clear. When it comes to the calculation part, it is used as arithmetic mean. Means it involves the arithmetic mean at the time of mathematical calculation. When it comes to the interferential data always works with the descriptive data in the process of hypothesis testing, making prediction, relationship and estimation. Now let us go to study biostatistics. Okay, so here biostatistics is the branch of applied statistics and medical sciences. See here, it is a branch of statistics applied to biological or medical sciences. Now it covers the application not only from the health medical related, and it also covers the related from the fields of genetic, biology, drug discovery and epidemiology, etc. So the biostatics also covers not only the health medical related, it also covers the various fields like genetics, biology, drug discovery, epidemiology, etc. So here it mainly consists of various steps like generation hypothesis, collection of data and statistical analysis. Okay, so it consists of various steps in the biostatistics. So the various steps are like generation of hypothesis, collection of data and statistical analysis. Okay, now the selection of appropriate mathematical hypothesis, biological models and statistical tests are essential for the adequate study design as mandatory prerequisite for the better useful study outcomes. So whenever the biostatistics is involved in the science field other than the medical, like health services and medical related, like hypothesis, biological models, means the biological models are used for the drug action analysis, and the statistical tests are essential for the adequate study designs for the better understanding and the better study purposes. So they use the biological models and statistical tests for the given subjects. Okay, so and these steps are the mandatory prerequisites to study the outcomes which are coming from the experimental subjects. Okay, so next one, it is used for the comparing the drug actions of two different drugs and dosage forms used to compare efficacy of import drug. So in the biostatistics, not only the genetics and biology drug discovery, and also here it is analyzing the drug action, it is finding the difference between the two drugs and the drug action efficacy of the given drug on the given patient. So biostatistics is also using here to find the drug actions of two different drugs on the patient, to find the difference between those two drugs. So here the statistical tools are commonly used in community medicine and public health to find the usefulness of SARAs and vaccines. So as I said before, the YashEduAcademy app was used to, we have used it to find out the corona affected people and to find the number of vaccinated and non-vaccinated people around us. So in the same way, the biostatistics also used as a statistical tool to find the SARAs and vaccines usefulness and non-usefulness also. So to analyze the statistics of both the vaccines and SARAs which are given to the patients to get prevented from the affecting diseases like corona and etc. Next, it is used for the comparison of vaccinated and unvaccinated people and find the difference. So as I said now just before, the vaccinated and unvaccinated, biostatistical analysis also involves in the finding the difference between the vaccinated people and unvaccinated people, to find the difference and their difference in their behavior and lifestyles. So in vaccinated people, the effectiveness of the drug shows the prevention of the disease. So in unvaccinated people, the drug is not there, so the effect of disease action is more when compared to the vaccinated people. In vaccinated people, the antibodies are more and the immunity is boosted with the vaccination, so they can inhibit the prevention of diseases when compared to the unvaccinated people. The vaccination and unvaccination differences can be found with the biostatistical tools. Okay, now next, it is useful for the epidemiology studies to find the role of causative factors. So in the study of epidemiology, they will find the role of causative with the help of statistical tools. Here used to identify the birth rate in increase and decrease due to lower age or higher age can be identified by the statistical tools. Okay, so the birth rate, the increase and decrease in birth rate depends upon the lower age and higher age. So the birth rate may be variated based on the age of either it may be lower age or higher age. The birth rate varies when based on the woman's age. So the analysis, the count of the birth rate and birth rate increase and decrease is used and analyzed by the statistical tool of biostatistics. Okay, next, in this biostatistics there are two tools, variables and data. In this variable, the group of variables are simply called as data, and the data is a type of information which we get from the different sources like newspaper, apps, news, social media, etc. The source of data gaining is the getting the information from the different sources is a bunch of data. Now variables are means the variables are the number of counts of the patients, as statistics of the vaccinated people and non-vaccinated people. So the variables means the count, number, numericals will be the variables. With the set of variables are called as data, and the data is called the type of information which is collected from the different sources is called as data. So the variable is different and the data is different. Whereas variable, the group of variables comes into the data, and the data is itself is a source which we get from the another sources, like different sources like news and newspapers and social media, etc., from the books and etc. Here, this is the last concept of today's class. So types of variables, as we discussed before, variables and data are different. So variables are the group of numbers and numericals. So here we can discuss about the types of variables in detail. So types of variables are of two types. One is qualitative and the other is quantitative. In the qualitative will defines about the quality of any substance like hair color and breeding of animals, types of breed and types of cats and dogs, and the degree of pain. Okay, when it comes to quantitative, the other one, quantitative means it defines about the quantity of any substance, like for example quantity of any dosage of drug, how much quantity we should take, we should give to the subject, can analyze the dosage and pharmacological action of the drug after giving the medicine. So in this quantitative, the quantitative variable defines about the quantity of substances in which for example the dosage forms of the drug we can give to the subject to know the pharmacological action of the drugs, and how much dose is showing the efficacy of the drug. So we use the quantitative variable for this action. Now in this quantitative, it is again divided into two types, discrete and continuous. In discrete, it shows only the whole numbers. For example, age, it is whole numbers from 0 to infinity. In this there will be no decimal numbers, fractions, and negative and positive integers. Whereas continuous variable shows the real number format, like decimals and positive and negative integers, fractionals, and etc. Values will be shown in the real numbers, like in continuous variables. Okay, that's all for the day. Hope the video was informative. If you find the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, activate the bell icon, and stay tuned for the more videos.